Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to NRI Muslimah Mom. Today I want to share a simple DIY idea to store your bangles. It's a 2-minute DIY and cost you nothing. So let's get started. You surely may have come across these kind of hangers which come with cloths and we just throw it away. Today I am making use of them. You may also have some sort of string or elastic at home. You just have to glue one end of the string to the clip and check the length by stretching it and just clip the other end. Cut the excess and your easy no cost bangle holder is ready. I am just adding some bangles and it's all done. You can hang it in your closet and grab it whenever you want. No need of digging in the boxes for finding the match. I hope you like this video. Do try it and share your comments. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye. Allah Hafiz.